It's okay to hold the dirt. Oh, you see? Good balance. Good balance, Steph. All right. How about holding the other, your hand? Sorry, okay, they're being patient, Steph. Okay, do problem solving. You can hold on tight. You choose which way you want to go. You have many options. You can make a decision. Choices. Okay. Which is a better way? Safer way. Oh, good choice, Steffi. You're making a good choice. A safe choice. That's a safe choice. Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Online neighbors, welcome to our Sunday school episode. So we are back to Bukit Biruang for a dopamine dose, okay, for Steffi. Steffi needs the dopamine. All right. So Sophie, our topic for today is all about harmony. I ask you, what is harmony?
What is it?
Harmony means living in peace with others. Okay? So if we are going to, just now while we are climbing up the hill, you can see we are surrounded by trees.
Yeah.
So kids, when God made the world, when God created the world in Genesis chapter 1 verse 1, God created the heaven and the earth. Steffi, come, are you listening, darling? I'm going to take Steffi first. Steffi, when God created the heaven and the earth, He made it so beautifully and wonderfully. Example, He made the sun. See the sun? It's so bright. Yeah, where's the sun, Steph? Point. The sun is there. So He made the sun so that the sun can give light to the plants and the trees. Yeah, and when the sun shines onto the trees, Steffi, the trees use it so that the trees can grow. And you know that's one way of harmony. So the sun gives light to the trees, and some animals eat the plants, right? So some animals can benefit from the plants by eating it, and some animals eat each other for food. But take note, like what you have learned in the National Geographic, right, Steffi, in the TV, when you're watching National Geographic, this is the beautiful thing about animals. They do not eat more than they need. Okay? And then humans like us, people like us, would be eating, so for those that are not vegetarians, would be eating these animals. So it goes on and on, this cycle. And that's how God created the earth. And that's how God created everything. So it comes to, it is made to be in harmony with each one. And that's harmony, right? One thing is intended for another, and another thing is intended for another. And so if we just do it with discipline, then it is just going to be so well maintained, living in harmony. But do you know, Sophie and Steffi, today when we were walking around, what do you see here? Tissue paper. Is it supposed to be here?
No.
Dada, can you take a video of this, a footage of that? Tissue paper. And over that side, what do you see? What do you find?
Plastic bottle.
There's a plastic bottle. Oh no! And what else? So trash everywhere. And do you see on the other table, Dada? See on the other table? They're just leaving. They're just leaving behind. So some people are not so disciplined, Sophie. So you see, God made the world so beautifully, but only people, some people are trying to destroy it. That disrupts harmony. And there is only one thing that God is reminding us when we live and we enjoy all His creation, and that is to maintain harmony. But also in our home, or in our school, in our workplace, where else? In our neighborhood, we're supposed to be maintaining harmony. How do you maintain harmony at home with Steffi?
Clean up.
Harmony, yes, you help by cleaning up so that mommy will not go crazy and disrupts the harmony. So you clean up your bed, right? So that's,
Organized.
yes, you so you organize your stuff. So what happens if you are not organizing your stuff? What usually happens at home?
You will find the thing that you want.
When it's easy to find when there is the thing that you want, when there's harmony and organization. You're right. Yeah. So in terms of relationship, if you are giving way to someone, like giving way to Steffi, like when Steffi wants to borrow the iPad and you are giving in and being kind to Steffi, being kind is also one way to maintain harmony. Yes, that's also one way. And how about with a relationship with mommy? How do you maintain harmony?
Helping and respect.
Oh, thank you. So, what happens if you disrespect mommy or dada?
Will not live in peace.
Yeah, what exactly do you see when you disrespect mommy? How does mommy react?
Sad.
Does mommy get sad when you disrespect mommy? Huh?
Mad.
So, which one? Does mommy get sad or does mommy get mad?
Angry.
Can you show them how mommy gets angry?
What?
Can you? Oh, mommy, you look so cute when mommy gets angry. Can you show them how does mommy get angry?
What have you done? Okay, can we just move on?
How about Steffi? Steffi, how does mommy get angry? Show them the mommy's face when mommy gets angry. When there's no harmony. What is angry face? Show to them. How does mommy get angry? Angry.
Angry.
Yeah, how? Show them. Look at the camera. How does mommy get angry?
Angry.
Oh, just like that. Mommy's like that. That's how mommy gets angry. Angry. Steffi, how does mommy get angry? You tell them. How does mommy get angry? You tell them, darling. How does mommy get angry? Angry. Like that, right? Still very demure. Okay. So for our memory verse to maintain harmony in wherever we are, at home, workplace, neighborhood, or even in school, or even in church, is 1 John 4:7. 1 John 4:7. Love one another.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Go. 1 John 4:7.
1 John 4:7.
Love one another.
Another.
Okay, love one another.
One another.
Okay, so that's all. Happy Sunday.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. that sign here says, oops, sorry, I didn't. So, jangan buang sampah merata. So that means, it means don't throw rubbish around. So always respect the rules, children. Bye-bye.